Every year, thousands of students open their results and hope to see their dream college. It may be IIT Bombay or IIM Indore or whatever, SRCC, कुछ भी हो सकता है. But when they open the results और वो देखते हैं कि मुझे वो नहीं मिला, they feel very shattered. They feel that I have failed myself. क्या मैं actually life में कुछ कर पाऊंगा? And that's a very sad feeling. Recently, a lot of my comments have been like this कि भैया मेरा IIM इंदौर नहीं हुआ, मुझे IIM बोधगया से मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, या फिर मैं मुझे प्राइवेट कॉलेज से मैं अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ पाऊंगी नहीं, क्राइस्ट कॉलेज इज गुड और नॉट, और एनी अदर यूनिवर्सिटी इज इट गुड और नॉट. एंड इफ यू आर समवन लाइक दैट who feels that I have failed myself or I have not reached my dream college, this video is for you. The biggest mistake that people make is believing that their college is the destination. Many people celebrate कि मुझे IIT Bombay मिल गया है, SRCC मिल गया है, and it's very valid that they celebrate. But if they celebrate, does that really mean कि after 3 years or after 4 years they'll be doing very well in their life? No, it doesn't mean. It all depends on their hard work. अगर उसने बहुत मेहनत करा है even in college, good मेहनत in placements and internships, then he'll do good. But if he goes there and does nothing, just sits around and celebrates for the next 4 years or the next 3 years, after the end of 3 years, he might not get the same opportunities as the rest of them. अगर तुम एक जिम में membership ले लेते हो, that doesn't mean you'll get 6-pack abs. It takes years, it takes months of weighted training, progressive overload and whatnot to get a good physique. So it doesn't guarantee you that you get a good life after a college. Now before anyone says कि भैया तुम तो ये सब बोल रहे हो, does college really matter? I'd say yes, college matters. College provides you an environment, a good set of peers, a good set of professors, alumni, then internships, opportunities, placements. College provides a lot of them. But that's also not the entire case. अगर तुम एक अच्छे कॉलेज में जाके भी you don't do anything, you sleep 24 घंटा and you do nothing and just celebrate that you have gotten a good college, then you are not doing anything good. इससे better if you go to a tier 3 college and work very hard and become the top 1% or the top 2% of that college, then you might get the same opportunity as a person going to a good college, or you can even get a better opportunity than a person that goes to a better college. So at the end of the day, it depends on you, how much hard work you're doing and how much pressure you're willing to take. When I was preparing for IPMAT, I also had some dream colleges in my mind. I am Indore, I am Rohtak. Okay, not Rohtak. I am Indore, I am Shillong. And when it did not happen, I really did not think कि क्यों नहीं हुआ, why? इनका गलती होगा, I am Indore का गलती हो सकता है कि they're not taking me, or some other question, or I didn't practice a lot. A lot of questions I had. But I didn't think of the past इतना कि क्यों नहीं हुआ. Instead, I thought कि मुझे अभी क्या मिल रहा है. When I found out that I am getting at least one IIM, that is IIM Bodh at least I am getting one IIM, I thought of it as a big opportunity कि मुझे at least एक IIM मिल रहा है. IIM means a lot of good faculty, placements, alumni and a lot of the things. So I decided what can I do to use my benefits and to make the most of it. I did one internship in a random startup. Then I started this YouTube channel where I am trying to improve my communication, and also I started a lot of other things that I got to know धीरे धीरे कि मैंने सीनियर्स से बात करी, मैंने दोस्तों से बात करी कि वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मैंने सीनियर्स से बात करी कि उनके कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ्स कैसे हैं, केस कॉम्पिटिशंस कैसे करते हैं. धीरे आई गॉट टू नो व्हाट एक्चुअली मैटर्स. कभी अगर तुम्हें अपने मन का कॉलेज नहीं मिलता, then you can still work hard in the college you are in and you can still do good. There are two things in your life. One that has already happened and one that you can control. The things that have already happened, like IPMAT का score हो गया और boards का result हो गया, you can't control them. There's no point thinking about that कि मैं अगर वो करता then वो हो जाता. So that has a question कि अगर तुम वो करते, and that thing has passed. So now what you have is time in the future. What you can actually work on, like communication हो गया, skills हो गए, Excel, a lot of other things that you can try. And जितना तुम explore करो उतना तुम्हें चीजें सीखने को मिलेंगी. I'd also recommend कि do a lot of new things. जितना तुम जानो उतना तुम्हें और पता चलेगा कि क्या सीन चल रहा है, किससे पैसे बनते हैं, किससे नहीं बनते, कैसे स्कैम्स आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, कैसे वो करते हैं, कैसे ये करते हैं, and a lot of things you discover step by step. So don't actually spend time overthinking what has gone. Spend time overthinking कि अभी तुम्हारे पास क्या है, and do it. Just do it. If you remember just one thing from this video, don't let one single exam decide your future. हाँ, ये इन्फ्लुएंस जरूर करता है कि तुम्हारा रिजल्ट कितना जल्दी आएगा या कितना लेट आएगा, बट इट डजंट राइट योर एंटायर स्टोरी। यू स्टिल हैव योर फ्यूचर इन योर हैंड्स। अगले 5-10 साल में तुम्हें ऐसा फील होगा कि ये सब इतना मैटर भी नहीं करता। वंस यू गेट अ जॉब यू विल सी कि नेक्स्ट 5 years तुम कैसे कितना स्पेंड करो, तुम क्या स्किल्स सीखो, तुम क्या क्या करो, वही सब मैटर करेंगे। आफ्टर सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम लोग पूछेंगे भी नहीं तुम कौन से कॉलेज से हो, एंड योर वर्क विल टेल कि तुम कैसे आदमी हो, नॉट योर कॉलेज। सो स्टे मोटिवेटेड एंड वर्क हार्ड। So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next one.